Inside the Zeus Thunder package, you'll find the Zeus Thunder, the USB charger, the wall adapter, the Z oil tank, the Z herb tank, a glass concentrate jar, the Z app, and the Zeus Thunder user manual. The Zeus Thunder comes fully assembled inside the package, but is composed of 5 separate pieces: the Z fuel, the Z shield, the Z tank, the mouthpiece, and a screw-on cap to protect the mouthpiece while the unit is not in use. The Z fuel has a 650 milliamp hour capacity, which is about 300 to 500 puffs. All parts are also completely replaceable to improve the life of your unit. The Zeus Thunder also has a button lock feature to prevent the unit from firing while it's in your pocket. To disengage the lock, simply press the power button 5 times, and the LED indicator in the power button will flash. While disengaged, press and hold the button to engage the heating element. The unit will cut off after 9 seconds to protect the battery. To relock the device, simply press the power button 5 times and the LED indicator will flash to indicate that the unit is now locked. The Z tanks are designed with discretion in mind, as they can both be used with the Z shield. The parts are also disposable and easily replaceable for your convenience. The Z herb tank is a standalone tank not to be used with the Z shield. It's meant to combust and should be considered a discrete convenience item. To load your Z wax tank, simply use your Z tool to apply wax directly to the heating coil inside of the tank, making sure you do not touch the coil with your Z tool. If you'd like, you can also mix a small amount of water with botanical dust, roll it into a ball, and place that inside of the wax chamber to be vaporized. To load your Z oil tank, first make sure that the tank is screwed onto the Z fuel. This will keep the rod in the center from moving. Next, gently work the silicone seal out of the tank. Once the rubber has been removed, the unit is ready to be filled with your chosen oils. We suggest that you fill the chamber 2/3 of the way. Lastly, with the grooves on the silicone seal aligned with the wick, work the seal back onto the tank gently with your Z tool, making sure you don't touch the coil with your tool. Applying oil to the edge of the silicone seal can make removing and replacing the silicone seal much easier in the future. If you'd like, you can also remove the silicone seal and simply use this tank for wax. For best results when loading your Z herb tank, make sure that your botanical is very dry and ground as finely as possible. Then, make sure you pack your Z Core E as tightly as you can. To get a finer grind with your Zeus bolt grinder, turn your grinder upside down and grind your botanical. When the desired fineness is reached, turn your grinder right side up again and continue grinding to let the botanical fall through the holes. Once the cap of the core has been replaced and the Z glass has been put back onto the tank, hold the button for 3 seconds and draw slowly. The Z herb tank combusts from the bottom up, so if you take a lengthy pause during your session, you may need to open up your Z core and stir your botanical before continuing your session. When it comes to convenience, the Z herb tank is best used in conjunction with multiple Z Core E's in a cartridge system. That way, when one core has been exhausted, it can be replaced with one of the other cores. Each fully loaded Z Core E should provide about 3 draws. When your session is finished, make sure you don't touch the heating coil with your Z app when clearing out leftovers. To charge your unit, simply screw your Z fuel into the 510 to USB connector provided and plug it into a USB outlet. Once connected, the Z fuel will blink before turning to a solid white color to indicate that the unit is charging. The charger light will also turn red. Once charging is complete, the Z fuel light will turn off and the light on the charger will turn green. Fully charging your unit should take about 2 hours. If you have any additional questions or concerns, don't be afraid to shoot us an email. We'll respond within 24 hours. We hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to complete your arsenal.